A very good morning, my dear students of class 11. Here, Act 1, Scene 2 is being taught. Now, lecture number 7, the speech of Prospero. Yesterday, you knew that Prospero is very angry with Ariel, as Ariel reminds him to make him free within a year. Prospero says, "Dost thou forget from what a torment I did free thee? Have you forgotten from what torture I freed you? You were in torture. You were tormented. Have you forgotten from what torture I freed you?" Ariel says, "No, sir, I know. I have not forgotten." Prospero says, "Thou dost and thinkest it much to tread the ooze of the salt deep, to run upon the sharp wind of the north, to do me business in the winds over the earth when it is baked with frost. You are forgetting it. Ariel, I know you are forgetting it. You think it a trouble to walk on the soft mud at the bottom of the sea, to fly upon the sharp north wind and carry out my tasks in the depth of the earth when it is hardened with frost." Ariel says, "I do not, sir. I do not feel any trouble. Sir, I do not." Prospero says, "Thou liest, malignant thing. Hast thou forgot the foul witch Sycorax, who with age and envy was grown into a hoop? Hast thou forget her? You are lying. You are telling a lie. You are lying, spiteful, hated person, hated creature. Have you forgotten the evil witch Sycorax, who was bent double by old age and by malice, by ill will? Have you forgotten her?" Ariel says, "No, sir. I haven't forgotten." Prospero says, "Thou hast. Where was she born? Speak, tell me." Prospero says, You have forgotten. Where was she born? Tell me." Ariel says, "Sir, in Algiers. Sir, she was born in Algiers. Algiers, the capital of Algeria." Prospero says, "Oh, was she so? I must once in a month recount what thou hast been, which thou forgettest. This damned witch Sycorax, for mischief manifold and sorceries terrible to enter human hearing. From Algiers, thou knowest, was banished. For one thing she did, they would not take her life. Is not this true?" Prospero asked the question to Ariel. He says, "Oh, she was. Yes, she was from Algiers. I think I must tell you once a month what you used to be, because you tend to forget it. The evil witch Sycorax was banished, exiled from Algiers, for doing many kinds of mischief and for dealing in black magic, too terrible to be told to human ears. Too terrible to told to human ears. It was decided then not to kill her because of one good deed that she had done. Is this not true?" Ariel says, "Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is right." Prospero says, The blue-eyed hag was hither brought with the child, and here was left by the sailors. This ugly old witch with pale blue eyes was brought here while she was pregnant and was left here by the sailors. Thou may slave as thou reports thyself, was then her servant. You, Ariel, you who are my slave, were at that time her servant. You were servant at that time. At present you are my servant. You are my slave. Were at the time her servant. And for thou was the spirit too delicate to act her earthly and abhorred commands, refusing her grand hastes. She did confine thee by help of her more potent ministers, and in her most unmitigable rage into a cloven pine. As you were too delicate a spirit to carry out her coarse and evil orders, you refused to obey her commands. She was annoyed with you beyond any measure. Therefore, with the help of more powerful subordinates, she made you a prisoner in a split pine tree, divided pine tree. She confined you, within which rift imprisoned thou didst painfully remain a dozen years, within which space she died and left thee there. For 12 years you suffered the torments of imprisonment. 12 years you suffered the torments of imprisonment. During this period, she died. During this period, she died, leaving you a prisoner for life. Leaving you the prisoner for whole life, for life. There, where thou didst vent thy groans as fast as mill wheels strike. There you used to groan repeatedly like the wheels of a mill in their revolutions striking the water. Then was this island, save for the sun that she did litter here, a freckled whelp, hag-born, not honored with a human shape. At that time, this island was totally uninhabited, except for the child to whom that witch had given birth, and who was no better than a dog with his spotted body. Students, that was Caliban. Ariel says, yes, Caliban her son. Yes, Caliban her son. Prospero says, dull thing, I say so. He, that Caliban, whom now I kept in service. A stupid creature, I say. He is Caliban, whom I am keeping now in my service. Thou best knowest what torment I did find thee in. Thy groans did make wolves howl and penetrate the breasts of ever angry bears. You know very well the severe torture I found you suffering from. You were in serious torture I found when I found you. Your groans made wolves howl and the savage's bears feel sympathy for you. It was a torment to lay upon the damned which Sycorax could not again undo. It was a torture fit to be inflicted. Inflicted means to impose on those who were sent to hell. That torture was given to you. It was a torture fit to be inflicted on those who were sent to hell. It was mine art when I arrived and heard thee that made gape the pine and left thee out. Sycorax could not undo the curse. When I arrived at this island and heard your groans, I opened the pine tree with my magic and let you out. I freed you from the pine tree with the magic of Sycorax. Ariel says, I thank thee, Master. Master, I thank you for this. Prospero says, if thou more murmurest, I will rend an oak and peg thee in the knotty entrails, till thou hast howled away 12 winters. If you grumble again, if you complain again, I will split an oak tree and make you a prisoner within its knotty, complicated roots, till you cry in pain for another 12 years. Prospero threatens Ariel. Ariel says, pardon, Master, I will be correspondent to command and do my spiriting gently. Ariel says, I beg your pardon, sir. I will obey your orders and will do my duty willingly. And what happens after that we will study in the next video. Thank you so much.